What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We are back in LA, back from Miami. That was super fun trip. I'm glad we got to go to Beamer Invasion in Orlando. I met so many of you guys, and I appreciate all the love and support once again. Thank you to everyone that said what's up to me, took pictures, and I had conversations with. That was super dope, super fun. I'm so glad that I actually went. Then we went to Miami for a couple days. We got to ride in my boy Raul's Bugatti. That was literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and again, super motivational right there. But yeah, we are back now in LA, and we got to get back on the vlogs, guys. I skipped a couple days because we got back, and I just wanted to chill for a whole day. I was so exhausted from that trip and the flights and all that stuff like that. But we are back. We got to start making content again. So welcome back to the vlogs, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's get into today's video. As of right now, I got no plans, but we made it here to 412, and I want to show you guys these sick cars that are here. This is my boy Roman's F80 M3. I might have showed it in a vlog before, but wow, bro. He got new wheels on it, and it looks insane. Woohoo, HREs. And that thing is nice too. They got the trunk open to fit the box. But yeah, guys, this is beautiful. You guys know I love my F80 M3, but this is probably like second one up right here. One of my favorites. Like the colorways and everything about it is just so perfect. This blue color. I don't really know the color, I'm sorry. I think it's like the CS blue, isn't it? Then I got the HREs with the like classic finish on it. The polished lips. I think they look sick on this car. And then especially with the interior, guys. Got the brown interior, manual. It has to be manual. I swear to God, I would never buy a DCT F80. I'm sorry. I feel like the F80s need to be manual. Also, I think we have word about my F80. I think we're gonna stop at the shop maybe like tomorrow. Go check that out and give you guys an update on the F80. Got some sad news, guys. I'm gonna just say that right now. But yeah, Roman's F80 is beautiful. This thing is literally perfect and so clean. It only has like, I think less than 20,000 miles on it, or even less than that, bro. It's super freaking mint and so nice. I love the wheels. Big baller wheels, HREs. Roman's also the one with the F8 Ferrari, which is over there on HREs. I'm gonna show you his Ferrari right now, but just look. This is his F80 on HREs, and I'm gonna show you his F8 Ferrari on HREs right now. Also, check this thing out. 412 just finished up this. I think it's an E-Class with BBSs, bro. When have you seen BBSs be put on a AMG? Like, that is crazy. So freaking sick. It looks so mean too in that color. All the carbon fiber, window tint to the max, and then the BBS to finish it off. Me personally, I'd probably put the red caps on here to match the red brakes. I think that would be like the perfect touch, because like there's like red brakes, there's little red accents right there, red tail lights. I will definitely put the red caps. Wow, bro, this thing is sick. Damn. I'm pretty sure it's tuned, downpipe, and all a bunch of other crazy stuff too. This car is beautiful. Look how good the BBSs look. I never would have thought that BBSs would look that good on an AMG. Comment down below, what do you think? I think it's sick. HREs, BBSs, that's already like 20 grand in wheels right there. My boy Roman's Ferrari F8, like I said, on HREs. Must be nice, huh? F8 and F80. Must be nice, bro. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, if I had this, I probably wouldn't even drive the F80. Nah, just kidding. Honestly, the F80 stick shift, this one's automatic, supercar, daily. It's like the perfect combination, to be honest. Damn, bro. That shit looks mean, all sand black. Red calipers. What a garage setup, bro. And if you guys remember, Roman actually let me whip this around in Angeles Crest Highway. That was probably my most fun vlog I've ever filmed and most fun car ever driven. I don't even know how much horsepower, but I'm pretty sure close to like 900 to maybe even 1,000, bro. I think it has upgraded turbos, tuned, exhaust. It's like maxed out. So yeah, driving this also was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and that was super fun. But yeah, we're back in LA, guys. Let's see what we're gonna get into. I don't know what we're doing today, to be honest. Another crazy thing. We might have some crazy content this week, guys, or this weekend, probably tomorrow. I'm in talks with a very popular YouTuber slash streamer, and it was super random. He hit me up and he told me that he wanted to do some car stuff. I don't know if I want to leak it quite yet, but it might be a huge YouTube video for me. So if it all works out, I'll let you guys know tomorrow who it is, but I don't want to speak too much and then it doesn't happen. I'll be kind of bummed, but just stay tuned, guys, and just know that we might have a crazy collab coming up. The most out of this world collab that you guys never expect. Even myself, I was like, what the heck? I was a little caught off guard when you messaged me. Ooh, I also got to show you guys this thing. Guess whose car this is? is actually Scott Disick's. I'm sure you guys know him from like the Kardashians and all that good stuff. This is actually his car. He's actually a car guy, bro. He has tons of freaking different cars. I think he has Ferraris too, and Lambos, and the new Hummer. He has so many cars, but he just picked up this M2, and actually Phone 2 is actually doing a bunch of work on it. I think they're tuning it, has a carbon wing on it. I believe it's wrapped, new exhaust. Wow, new wheels. Is this stick? Oh my God, I think it is stick shift. It's honestly clean. All carbon everywhere. Sorry about the noise, guys. Look at Joseph. Haircut in the shop? What are you guys doing? Guys, this thing's getting a full conversion to an M3. You already doing it? Oh my God, that's the whole motor? Wow, bro.
F80 Touring N20 2.0. Over there, the Touring rear subframe.
You guys are changing everything. Holy crap, bro. This is the whole F80 motor. The F80 ECU or what? Holy crap.
The full fucking wiring. That's wiring from the Touring.
Bro, I didn't know you guys were gonna do to this extent. I thought you were just gonna put the fenders and that's it. Doing everything. They're converting it to a full M3, guys. Look, they got the wider fenders. They took out everything. It's gonna be a legit M3. M3 Touring. Wow, bro. Drivetrain, suspension. They're going the full extent on this car. That is insane, bro. Look how wide the fenders are. I'll keep you guys updated on this thing and show you guys the process if I could. But yeah, they are building this Touring. It started off as a 3 Series and now it's about to be an M3 Touring. That is sick. And they have everything, guys. Look, fuel cell, they got the hood, they got the engine, the most important thing, the suspension, the drivetrain. Holy crap. Bro, M3 right here. Wow, they're changing everything. I can't believe that. The trunk. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about Tourings? I actually love the wagons. G80 Touring is sick, but an F80 is also sick. I've actually never really seen them. This is gonna be a full conversion though. Everything's gutted. Holy shit. It's literally just a shell. It has nothing underneath.
It's shell swap.
You can make it a drift car. All right, guys, we left Phone 2. Update on that big collab tomorrow. It is gonna happen, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You do not want to miss tomorrow's video. I don't know what to expect. I'm excited. Tomorrow's gonna be lit. Just stay tuned. Trust me. I don't even know how it's even happening, but it's happening. Anyways, right now some time has passed. I left Phone 2 now, and we're about to meet up with one of the homies that I haven't seen in so long. You guys are gonna see him right now, and you know exactly who it is. Honestly, I haven't seen him in so long. It's been years, bro. Hey. Hey, what's up, bro? I miss you, bro. Seen you forever.
Okay, you can't just pull up on me with a fucking camera, man.
I know, I'm here. Look, you're the one who taught me.
Yeah, I guess.
Guys, we just made it to a Carmi now. But yeah, Sean, my boy Sean here with the 720, he literally straight piped the McLaren, bro, and it sounds insane, bro. Shooting crazy flames. He also got a carbon fiber kit on it, so carbon wing. And he got the carbon diffuser. I know, the Vorsteiner one too.
The Alibaba.
Bro, how much was the whole kit?
50K.
50K, guys, for all the carbon. How much is just the lip? What if you break that shit?
12K.
That is crazy. I'd be so scared to freaking break it. It's just so nice. Look at Vorsteiner, guys. That's hard.
About like little certificates and shit with it too for like to make it be like it's the real
legit, yeah. Bro, it looks so much better. The carbon, the exhaust, downpipe, all that shit. It's like perfect now. We drove in it once. It's probably way faster now.
Right now it's at 850. If I put it on E85, it goes to 960 or something.
Yeah, that's tight. You gotta do that.
Hell no, that's how you break it.
Even stock, they're freaking hella fast. And then we got Nikon's car. We got a Supra here. Bro, what? I was like, who is that? With BBS's?
Fuck with it or what?
Bro, you got new wheels?
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro, this shit looks insane with BBS's. My boy put BBS's on the M5.
Hey, what's Daniel?
Sick, bro. God damn. I love satin black, bro. That shit looks fire. I need to wrap the car satin black. I've never done it. I've always wanted it. Yeah, I know. Satin white top too. Damn. TEs? Wait, are they the same wheels or different wheels?
They're the same. The
just
front's the
powder
same. No. I switched them up.
Oh.
The front's the same set. The back, it's 10.5 plus 20.
Bro, this shit fits way better too.
Yeah, the rears fit.
Damn. Reminds me of mine, guys. Look how clean the fitment is. That is so fire. If you guys remember, I actually put his car on my vlog before and had white TEs on it, but I think he swapped them out for these. These look way better on the car. Way better fitment than the other ones. He even lowered it too. And it's a CS, guys. Sheesh. A lot of people with CSs don't really modify their cars. So it's cool to see a CS with like TEs on it and stuff like that. That is hella fire. This is also my boy at West Coast Euros, the one that hooked me up with the headlights on my F80, the carbon wing, and I think a couple other things too. But shout out to them once again for helping me out on the F80. Shout out to all the companies that helped me out with the F80. Sad that that shit's crashed, but it was cool that everyone helped me out. Damn. The headlights, the orange ones, those are sick because everybody has yellow. So it's cool to see like orange, amber ones. Kevin should do these on the GTS. I've been telling him. Orange DRLs, G80 here. It's like the matte gray, kind of like Fresh Kicks color with the orange interior. Guys, so I actually found the G80. You guys know I've been looking for one. I found a black G80 stick shift, which I want, but it has orange bucket seats, and I don't know. I'm not that too big of a fan with the orange, guys. I don't know. I don't like orange. I know Kevin will be so happy, but I just don't like orange at all for some reason. I mean, it's cool. It looks really clean. This was also stick shift, by the way. I just peeped that. That's hard, but I'd rather have red buckets, white buckets, even black bucket seats. But I just don't like the orange, bro. And it sucks because that car's perfect. It's black paint with orange buckets. If only it was black paint with red buckets, I would have went to go get it. And stick shift. It's hard to find the perfect spec that I want, guys. There's too many little things that I want. Even look, carbon roof, this doesn't even have that. So it's hard to find the perfect spec. What the?
Chandelier in there too.
No way, got a chandelier, bro. This shit nice too on TEs. Bro, TEs on anything looks good, I swear. I was about to do the red little stripe on it, but we never got a chance. But I love the red stripe on the TEs too. They're just perfect wheels. Check this thing out, guys. It's like Nikon's M8, but it's Nardo gray, and I believe it's paint as well. Wheels on it. Nikon needs wheels. I believe it has red bucket seats too. Holy crap, these wheels are sick. Can't even see the seats. Look how dark the window tint is. Carbon little door handles. Carbon wing, carbon diffuser. Wow. I actually love M8s, I'm not gonna lie. I would take an M8 over a G80, but these things are like $160,000. They're crazy, bro. Damn, dude, their cars look sick with the wheels. Big ballers. They're both like kind of a brushed, kind of same finishes with polished lips. So fire. Oh, there's not that many cars here, which kind of sucks. There's a car with Lambo doors and underglow on the doors. What the heck? I'm about to go look at that. Pink DRLs. Fire. Look at this, no way. Oh, who's this car? Damn. What the? Sheesh. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Oh my god, there's a Sylvia over here? Whew, and an RX-7 with TEs. Holy crap, these are just hiding over here. I wasn't even gonna walk over here, bro. Thank God I did. RX-7, guys, with the Recaro carbon seats. Holy crap. Bro, he got full carbon bucket seats, the entire thing. Carbon hood. Yeah, this thing looks sick. Well, that is crazy. We got the Sylvia. That's 15 right-hand drive. So fire. I want one of these too, guys. Got the angle kit on. He had to show it off. Look how angled that is. Fun fact, we have an angle kit on my E46, which we do need to bring back to. Guys, it's just project car after project car after project car, I swear. We're never gonna finish, dude.
That's who was scoping.
What's up? I saw you vlogging.
How you doing?
How are you? Good? Chilling?
I was chilling.
Where the snakes at?
At home, man. It's
God damn, that shit sounds good, bro. Oh, Sean's revving the 720, guys.
I knew the McLaren was here.
We gotta go look at that.
Yeah, the McLaren.
Sean's revving it. Aw, we're too late. Everyone walked over here.
Know,
Sean
man.
just turned it off.
Shit.
It's starting, guys.
You smoked out.
My God. Not need to be in supercars. This is BMWs everywhere, bro.
Can't go to these meets no more.
Alright, we came to another meet. This one's kind of dead, guys, but there's two McLarens here. This white one's parking right next to Sean. Sheesh. This is a new one too. I think it's the GT, right? Well, I love Sean's car. I want a supercar so bad, guys. But yeah, today's kind of boring. We try to do something tonight, but these meets are just It's hard to find cool meets nowadays, guys. I think tomorrow night there's a really sick one though, so stay tuned for that.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.